Hello, so welcome back to number 48 of the two flats. I've already showed you the ground floor. Now I'll show you what we've done with the upstairs. Come on up and I'll show you. So upstairs, what we've done originally, this was a little kitchen and a bathroom. I'll show you exactly where the walls were. So here was a wall. If you can imagine that little space here, there was a little sink, one little piece of worktop and a gas hob up against the wall. So you can imagine how tiny that was. You walked in, through the door, and your bath was here. You can imagine in the bath, in the window, not the best. So taking a wall down, open this up for a nice big bedroom. In this upstairs, we've gone from a one bed flat to a two bed. So this is the one bed, all brand new, back to brick, a lot of structural work, brand new boiler is in there, it's in the housing. As you can see, it's still drying, so it's swelling, extracting, contracting. Let's go through. This is where the original bedroom was, and what we've done here is taken the chimney down, which was behind me, roughly here, all the way across to the other side. Taking the chimney down, put a steel in for the support of the chimney above, put in a stud wall here, and now it's a nice galley kitchen, where before it was literally from that wall to here, it was only that big in that other room what I just showed you. We've also bricked the window height up, put a brand new window in here to allow for the worktop. Originally it was right down here, way too big, which is perfect for the kitchen. Have a look around and I'll show you through. So yes, I'll show you one bedroom and a kitchen. Let's keep going. The other side of the old bedroom is, and it's hot, hot, hot. And here is now the bathroom. So where I said before, the bathroom at the back, stud wall again. Cut the bedroom in half, took all the chimney down, as I said. The steel goes all the way from the window to this side on a supporting wall. Fitted in a 1500 bath. Always remember your bath, overhead shower, toilet and sink. Really nice, towel rod. Get yourself in and have a look. So what we've done to save space is this section here. It was only a storage cupboard before, not being used. What we've gone and done is done for a washer below and dryer above. That allows more kitchen cupboards in the kitchen. You might as well maximise the space. This is where we've created a second bedroom. So as I said, this one behind me was a big living room. There was a doorway here, door frame, as you can imagine. You open the door into a big living room. What we've done is put a central corridor, only 1 metre square, to my right, or the left here. That is now the living room. Behind me is the children's box room. It's still a really nice size. Come on in. We created that 1 metre hallway there, but that has allowed us over there to put a place where the kid could have toys, could be a desk, could be a wardrobe, which doesn't encroach on this bedroom at all. Also, we've measured from that skirting board to the edge of this plug, that is 120 wide. That will allow for a small double bed and obviously a single, because that's even smaller. So, technically, to there is a small double if it needs to be. Enough for a bedside, that's why the plug's there, because the kid, if there was a kid lives here, could have a lamp right next to the bed. So, let's go through to the living room. Same again, little corridor as you walk through. Nice size living room. We've gone for the usual Pegasus colours, grey and white. Nice grey carpet, a bit of speckled black that allows for any dirt on your feet. We've boxed in the meters here. What an amazing project. So this was a normal mid-terrace house in Stoke-on-Trent. There's loads and loads of these around the city. It's already been converted to flats by the previous owners, so it's historical use of flats. We've done a lot of structural, taking chimneys out, fitting stud walls. Every ceiling is dropped. You can't see it now, but I can show you pictures. Every ceiling is dropped, that's allowed to tie the walls in, makes the building even stronger. Installation in the drop ceilings, brand new roof, brand new gutters. Big project. This is one of 4. We've got the other 4 rolling on. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe below and like. If you've got any comments or questions, do let me know. Let's get chatting.